The hardware for the lift handle consists of the rod that connects the back of the lift handle to the bellows and the pivot point for the lift handle that is attached to the bellows frame. Both of these pieces are permanently attached to the lift handle and they fold flat for storage. The main part of the pivot is made from a 1/2 inch round bar. One end of the bar is split open and this opening is shaped into the hinge pin for the pivot. This shovel handle shaped opening is sized to fit the 1/4 by 3/4 inch bar that I'm going to be using for the barrel of the pivot. Once you have the barrel closed around the hinge pin, the whole thing is heated up in the forge and carefully worked back and forth until it moves freely. Final adjustments can be made by smoothing the outside rim of the barrel with a file. The same type of arrangement is used for the hinge of the connecting rod. The barrel of the hinge is made first and the connected rod is looped through the barrel and welded back onto itself to make a seamless link. The lower end of the connecting rod has the same seamless link. The final part of the lift hardware to be made is the hook that connects the bellows to the lift handle. I'm attaching the hook to the connecting rod so that it faces away from the bellows when it's in use.